I love popsicles. Sugar-free. Sugar-free. I had a quick moment. I had to catch that one. It was too cute. I'm gonna take you out in a minute. I just wanted to eat my popsicle. I figured you wanted a lick. I'll take you out in a minute. Yummies. And don't worry everyone, it's sugar-free. Okay. Can I have the rest or you can eat it all? I think you're gonna eat it all, aren't you? Yeah, it's good stuff. Good stuff. Mmm. Yum. You say yum? Yum. You don't want to chew the stick. You just chew the blueberry part. Yum. Yum.